was open. And like I said, they put all this tin work on after the Depression to try and get farmers to buy the tractor. These, any of you that watch RFD TV, Max Armstrong has a tractor quite similar to this that he grew up on. He's an announcer for RFD TV.
Woo, Martha!
A lot of these M's and H's, this is an H, but there are a lot of them built across the United States. They went everywhere with these. We're building Illinois.
Go, Martha!
Okay, they start building in the 30s. Yes, built in the 30s. Right, well, then they came out with the Super H's, yeah. Right.